Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the car to accessory so the infotainment is active. On your phone, enable Bluetooth and keep the Bluetooth screen visible. This makes the device discoverable. On the Jaguar F Pace infotainment, go to Settings, then Bluetooth, then choose Add Device or Pair Phone to start scanning. Once the car and phone see each other, you'll move to Confirmation. Don't skip allowing location or contacts prompts on the phone when they appear. When both devices display a matching 6-digit PIN, you confirm it on the Jaguar screen and your phone. This finalizes the Bluetooth link. You must then accept permission requests on the phone, contacts and messages for hands-free calling and media audio for streaming. If you want Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, plug a certified USB cable into the console USB port now and accept prompts on the phone. Once accepted, the car will switch to the phone interface. Make sure Do Not Disturb won't block. You finish by setting the phone as the preferred device in the Jaguar's Bluetooth list, so it auto-connects next time. Test with a quick call and play a song to confirm microphone pickup and speaker routing. Adjust volume on both phone and infotainment if needed. If the phone won't connect, restart the phone and car, remove the pair on both devices and repair. And if CarPlay or Android Auto fails, swap to the original OEM USB cable. This fixes most connection faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.